Recently, Elon Musk has introduced something in the EV market that has shaken up the entire auto industry. While companies were focusing on speed, range, and luxury, Musk has focused on something that most people were ignoring until now: the motor. Yes, the same motor that works quietly under the car, which neither makes noise nor seeks praise for itself. But now, such a revolution has come in this motor that even the best engineers are surprised. Tesla has introduced a new motor that is not only more powerful than before, but also more durable, more efficient, and most importantly, less expensive. And all this has happened without completely relying on rare earth magnets. Musk's move could prove to be a game changer in the EV world, because now the talk is not just about speed, but also about scale, environment, and long-term sustainability. So, is this new motor a warning bell for other companies? Has Tesla proved once again that true innovation comes from brains and vision, not just power? The answer is yes. And this is why the whole world is now watching this new motor technology with great attention. So let's move ahead in the video and find out what this motor is doing that has never happened before. But before that, subscribe to the channel so that you keep getting such amazing updates. There was a time when Elon Musk did not believe in electric cars. He himself had said in many interviews that EVs, or electric vehicles, were just a gimmick that would not last long. At that time, petrol and diesel cars dominated the market. People considered electric cars toys, slow, expensive, and without any range. But who knew that the man who made fun of them would later become the face of the world's largest electric car company? Yes, we are talking about Tesla. Today, Tesla is not just a car company, but the name of a revolution. It has changed the direction of the entire auto industry. When other companies were busy improving the petrol engine, Elon Musk took a risk and placed full faith in EV technology. And see, today, Tesla has left everyone behind. Now, let's talk about the figures, because numbers never lie. In the year 2023, Tesla sold about 1.8 million cars worldwide. This means that, on average, about 5,000 Tesla vehicles were reaching people's homes every day. Tesla's best-selling vehicle is the Model Y, which alone sold millions of units. In the first quarter of 2024, Tesla delivered about 386,810 units, and this is just the data of one quarter. Not only this, Tesla is now opening new factories and gigafactories in big markets like China, Europe, America, and India, so that its production can increase even faster. Today, Tesla's vehicles are not just the pride of the rich, they have also become the choice of middle-class people, especially since Musk has launched affordable EVs like the Model 3 and now the upcoming Model 2. A big reason for Tesla's success is that they did not just make a car. They created an entire ecosystem. Whether it was the supercharger network, software updates, self-driving technology, or in-house battery manufacturing, Tesla mastered everything and outpaced others. Nikola Tesla's dream and Elon Musk's reinvention. Many years ago, there was a man who changed the way the world was run. His name was Nikola Tesla. In the late 1800s, when people were running things using steam engines and coal, Tesla created a motor that did not run on smoke, gas, or fuel, but only on electricity and magnetic force. At that time, this was nothing short of magic for people, because there was no sound, no vibration, and no pollution of any kind. Tesla gave the world the concept of AC, that is to say, alternating current. This was electricity that does not flow in a single direction but keeps changing direction. This breakthrough later became the base of the world's entire power system. But Tesla did not just create current, he also created devices related to it, such as the AC motor. This motor was not like the heavy steam engines of old times. There was no fire, no smoke, and no belts or wheels that would break. Just send current, and the motor would start running. Tesla's motor was so perfect that it worked without any noise. Now let's talk about today's era. Elon Musk, who is called the innovation king of today's world, revived Tesla's old dream with modern technology. The company Tesla Motors, which Musk created, adopted Nikola Tesla not only in name, but also in thinking. Musk took the same idea of the AC motor, but connected it with modern technology and today's battery system. When Tesla made its first car, the Tesla Roadster, it had Tesla's AC motor installed in it. That motor ran without brushes, which meant less wear and tear and less maintenance. And the biggest advantage was that as the car's speed increased, the motor delivered torque immediately. The second big thing was regenerative braking. Normally, when you brake in a car, energy is wasted as heat. But in Tesla's Roadster, when you braked, the motor started working in reverse, converting rotational energy into electricity and sending it back to the battery. This slightly increased the battery's charge and extended the car's range. This was absolutely new and revolutionary at the time. Now, let's talk about the limitations of that motor. As great as it was, it also had challenges. The AC induction motor performed very well at low speeds, but as speed increased, it required a lot of current to maintain power. The more current it needed, the more heat it generated. And when a motor heats up, it requires a cooling system. At the same time, pulling too much current from the battery also drained it quickly. This directly affected the vehicle's range, meaning you could cover less distance. Tesla understood all of this.
3. And why? Continued to push the envelope, integrating cutting-edge battery technology, extended driving ranges, and even autonomous driving features. But Musk's ambitions didn't stop at transforming personal transportation. His vision extended to creating a sustainable energy ecosystem where products like the Powerwall and solar roof work together to reduce dependence on fossil fuels. These innovations aim to make clean energy accessible and practical for everyday life, from homes to businesses. Amid these achievements, Musk's latest project, the water engine, represents perhaps his most daring innovation yet. The engine operates on the principle of reverse electrolysis, a process where hydrogen and oxygen combine to produce electricity, leaving water vapor as the only byproduct. This approach offers a solution to some of the most pressing challenges in sustainable transportation. One of the key advantages of the water engine is its quick refueling time, akin to traditional gasoline-powered cars, which addresses the common concerns about the long charging times associated with electric vehicles. Additionally, the environmental benefits are profound. While electric cars are emissions-free, the production of their batteries still carries a significant environmental cost. The water engine, however, relies on water, a readily available and renewable resource, and produces no harmful emissions at any stage of its operation. The water engine's efficiency is another highlight. While traditional combustion engines waste a lot of energy as heat and electric engines offer better efficiency, the water engine finds a middle ground with a projected efficiency of about 60%. This balance between performance and sustainability could set a new standard in the automotive industry. What makes the water engine even more promising is its potential synergy with renewable energy sources. Envision a future where solar panels or wind turbines power the electrolysis process, creating a loop of clean energy that fuels vehicles and powers homes. This integration could revolutionize energy grids and pave the way for true energy independence. The water engine is more than just an innovative piece of technology. It symbolizes a reimagining of how we approach energy and transportation. It challenges us to think creatively about the resources we use and our impact on the planet. In many ways,